Me here Rupali Sharma from Sumantech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is if statement in the Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python if statement. So the Python if statement is a conditional statement which refers if the condition is true, then the output will be executed. So now we are discussing the example of if statement of Python. So first of all, I am taking the value that is 2, second value is 4. Suppose I am giving these into a variable. First variable is x and the second one is y. So now I will put the conditional statement that is if statement in which I am asking if my x's value is less than the value of y, then colons, then print. I'll use a print function to get the output in which I am asking that if this condition is true, then print the value that is y is greater. So the output will be that is 2 is like this is I am asking. So this condition is true, then the print will be executed and the output is y is greater. So the second chance, if the y condition is false, so if I am taking here that is 12, so this is false, so nothing will be executed here. So this is the way how we can use the if statement, conditional statement in the Python programming language. So now we are discussing about the if statement. First of all, we have taken a variable that is x and the y variable and the values are 2 and 4. So now we are using the keyword that is if statement in which I am asking that if my x's value is less than y, then print the line that is the value y is greater than x. So now we'll see the output. So the output is that y is greater than x because the x's value is 2 and the y is 4. So this statement that if our x's value is less than y, so print this line. So this is the answer that is y is greater than x's value. So now the second example is if we are using the x and y variables, the values are 4 and 2. Now we'll use the if statement, that is a conditional statement in which I am asking that if my x's value is less than y, then print the line that is in double quotes I am starting that y is greater than x. So we will see the output if it is coming or not. So we can see there no output has been coming because the statement is false because the x's value is not less than y because the x's value is 4 which is greater than y. So in this way we can use the if statement in the Python programming language. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.